How to center your logo in your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make your logo in center in your Shopify store. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and in the dashboard you can navigate to online store here. You can click on it, and then you will be in the theme page, and in the theme page you can edit theme here, so I can click on it. So as you can see, my text logo in the left side of my Shopify store. I want to make it in the center here, so the logo will be in the center. So you can just click the logo, and then in the left side, as you can see, there is an option to change the logo position. So this is the default logo position in the web in the desktop. Then this one is for the mobile logo position. So I want to change in the desktop version. So as you can see, there is option in the middle left, in the top center, or in the middle center. It's up to you. So I want to change it to the middle center, and it will be like this, as you can see. And also you can choose another option if you want to top center. The logo will be in the top of your menu here. And then yeah, and if you want to change in the mobile version also, you can just choose it. Maybe you want to make it in the left or in the center. It's up to you. And after that, you can just click save here. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.